out of bed to come and eat this watermelon. The kale is doing great. Raised beds. Hello, this is Genesis Farm Homestead, coming to you today with a pot of chili with meat and a pot of chili without meat, because I do not eat meat, so I had to make 2 different pots of chili to can for this winter. This pot is for my brother and friend who eats meat, and this pot is for me and anybody else that does not eat meat. So I am getting ready to fill my jars and can these, and I'll bring you back once I get the canner. I'm going to pressure can. Once I get the pressure canner up on the stove, I'll bring you back and we'll go through the process of pressure canning. But first I'm going to fill these jars up, and I've got my funnel up here, and I just take this and pour it down in there. I'm going to fill it up to about that far to the rim, leaving 1-inch rim, and then I'll debubble and I'll be back. Okay, I have all the jars full. This is the one with the meat, and this is the one without meat. And it was so delicious, it is so delicious, that my brother ate what all I couldn't fit in his jar. He ate 2 big bowls of it. And I'm eating what's left of mine, the little bit that didn't fit in my jars, which is about maybe 2 or 3 big spoons full. And it's delicious. So I've got my paper towel, and I'm wetting it with my vinegar so I can clean my tops, clean the rims of my jars. I clean inside and out the whole top of the rim to make sure that there's no leakage going on. Because when you're putting chili in jars, it's almost impossible not to get it around the rim. Even using the funnel. I use the funnel on these, and there is chili at the top of most of these jars. Not all of them, but most of them. And you don't want that to interfere with your lids. You know, I went into Walmart looking for some lids, and they had none, not one. No jars, no lids, nothing. So I ended up going to Ingles, and I found plenty of lids. So of course I bought all that I could buy. And they have a limit on them, so you can't buy them all. But I've got about, I think I picked up about, oops, I didn't mean to do that. I picked up about, I think 4 boxes, oh yeah, 4 boxes over there. 2 of regular lids and 2 of the big mouth. So that should hold me for a little while. But now I need to find some jars, because I think this is my last set of big mouth jars that I have in this size. So I'm making this one big jar for my girlfriend for her family. And that is going to be it. I had this amount left over of my brother's with the meat in it, And this is gonna cool off, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. He's gonna be eating off this for the next day or so. I don't know, it's gonna last him 2 days. He's probably gonna eat half of it tonight. But, okay, now, we need to debubble. Okay, I need to debubble, and while I'm debubbling, I'm going to go ahead and put my pressure canner on the counter. I'm going to go ahead and put my pressure canner on the counter, on the stove, and let the water be heating. Okay, I am so sorry. I did not bring you all back over here to show you. I put the non-meat bottles, it was 7 of them. I put them in here after I put the lids and the tops on, finger tight. I did clean my tops first, the tops of the bottles. But then I allowed the pressure, the steam to come out. There was oh, right there, where the top is. I allowed it to get hot enough that the steam started shooting out of there. Once the steam started shooting out of here, then I put on my timer for 10 minutes. I checked UGA pressure canning for this zone, and it said to pressure can chili with beans for pint size for 75 minutes at 12. So I'm allowing this needle to get to 12 pressure, which is 2 notches after the 10, and I'll hold it there. I'll start my timer again for 75 minutes. Okay? So I will bring you back. Next time I'll bring you back when I'm getting ready to put these in. Okay guys, I forgot you all again, but this is the last one of this bunch that I'm taking out, and as you can see, it is beautiful. It's still bubbling, still boiling. So these are done. These are the ones without meat. And I'm about to put the ones with meat in. They're still a little warm, so they should be okay to put in this hot water. I'm going to pour a little water in there to make sure it's not too hot. Cool the water down just a tad bit. Make sure it's not too hot. So the pot can go in there. I mean, for the jars to go in there anyway. That should cool it down just enough so that it's not boiling hot. And then we'll take each one of these and sit them down in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to do this one. 5, and then we can do one more, and we got 3 to do after that. So, well, I might be able to get one more in there. And then these others, yeah, I can get one more in there. see if we get one more. Okay. One more. Okay. We're ready to get 2, 4, 6, 7, and that big one. Homestead. Please like us, subscribe, share our videos, and hit that bell so you can see the finished product.